Walking ulit guys. Yan yung outfit natin today. Walk tayo guys. Good morning guys. So I wake up late because since we got the AC in the bedroom, so it's nice to sleep when the room is cold. So since we got an AC in the bedroom, I always wake up late. I'm just like rolling around the bed, so so I don't have time to eat, so I just drink this morning coffee and 2 slices of bread. So that's it I eat, and then about to get ready, so I already put my foundation and then other lip concealer because I do work today, and and very supportive husband. He make me something to eat because he know that I only drink coffee and 2 slices of bread. So I'm doing makeup already because I'm about to leave like 12:30 because I do work today at 1:00 p.m. So I don't have a lot of time, but fun. You know what funny is? I don't have a lot of time, but I'm still like holding my camera and talking to you guys. So anyways, hey, time go fast. It's already July, and then 2 months it's like starting counting December, right? When September month, people getting excited and they're already getting ready for Christmas decoration. All the store have Christmas items already. So can't believe it's July already. That's time go fast. But anyways, so I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna like gonna eat my food while doing makeup maybe. So yeah, that's the AC that Dan put it last weekend, Sunday. So ayan guys, and then bumili rin siya ng blinds. Gusto ko yung blinds na binili niya kasi hawakan mo lang siya dito, tapos aakyat na siya. Ganun lang, ipupush mo lang siyang ganyan, tapos ganun na. Ano siya, madali lang siyang iakyat baba yung blinds. Tapos ito yung pagkain na ito yung pagkain na finifer ni Dan, grilled cheese with eggs on the top. So subukan kong kainin ng mabilis yan kasi I don't have time. I don't have time. I'm about to leave in maybe 20 minutes. So yun. Hi guys, so I'm about to leave. It's 12:40 maybe. So I'm running out of time. So pasok na naman ngayon. So today is my Friday. So yay, tomorrow is my day off and I'm excited for my day off. So I guess yeah, I'm heading to work guys. Parang disaster yung kwarto namin. Pag wala ka na talagang time, yung may pasok ka, gigising ka ng late, wala na talagang time magligpit-ligpit ng mga kalat sa kwarto kaya parang disaster yung kwarto namin. Anyways, welcome to the reality. Ganyan talaga. Ganyan talaga guys pag pag medyo kulang ka na ng time. Saka na lang yan pagdating ko na lang mamayang gabi. Para talagang disaster. Okay guys, I'm heading to work. I just walk going to work though. It's not too bad. It's only 12 minutes from house to work. So yes. Shadow guys. Yan. And then it's hot today. And then ayan yung walking. And then stoplight. Normally daan tayo dito sa straight na lang tayo guys. Dito straight tayo. And then doon yung workplace ko. Sobrang lapit lang. Pagtawid mo ng street na yan, nasa work na tayo. Ito yung neighborhood. So yeah, I guess see you later guys. Walking ulit guys. Yan yung outfit natin today. Walk tayo, guys. Malapit na tayo, guys. Ang init, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Hindi na, may hangin kasi kaya hindi masyadong ano yung init. Masama masyado. May hangin naman kasi. So malapit na tayo sa work, guys. And ito yung sa side, itong building na to sa side ko. Ito yung thrift store na pinupuntahan ko dito. Sobrang lapit lang sa bahay. Ay, yung pangalan na yan, guys. Yan yung pinupuntahan kong thrift store dito malapit sa bahay. Ayan, may mga tao nga, guys. Oh, ayan yung ito yung pintuan nila. And then malate tayo nito, guys. Kaka-ano natin, vlog pa more. Kahit may pasok. Tapos ito yung street. Ayan yung streets. Lakad tayo. Then daan tayo dito. Doon tayo tatawid sa may street lights, guys. Yan. Doon tayo tatawid sa may street light, guys. UPS. So guys, I'm here, guys. So I'm here at my place work, guys. A front of my workplace. Diyan ako nagwo-work, guys. Dito ako nagwo-work. Yan sa building na yan. So nandito na tayo, guys, sa work. Yan. I'm here at work. I'm here, guys. Nasa trabaho na tayo, guys. So pasok tayo sa backroom and mag-clock in na tayo kasi late na tayo. Nandito na ako, guys, sa work. So yeah, we're at work now, guys. Ayan yung ano ko. And can I have these two, please? This one. Maybe 8 pieces, please. Thank you. Lunchtime, guys. I got sauce and potato wedges, chicken tender, and potato wedges for my lunch.